this is what we had done. I mentioned it many times. Flowers is like my love. Getting into a style, getting into a view of what I want to do. Most probably I will, develop this art more digitally. And look at that. That's the book which I hope you have seen last week video. So it was a unboxing and creating. So I created this one. So it's the same book. And look at that. It doesn't even bleed through. So it is an awesome book. So yeah. Hello everyone. Yesterday you saw me making notebooks, so today we are gonna continue notebook and finish those, and notebooks and finish those. Oh, well, it's not gonna finish in a day, but you got me what I meant. So, and another update which I want to tell you is by the time you're watching this video, there will be a pre-order of t-shirt open in my website. So it is gonna run until Sunday. In 2 days. That is when you see in 2 days. So if you want the t-shirt in your size, make sure to pre-order, because when the Sunday I will be closing pre-order, and when it's gonna live, when the product goes live, you won't be having options to choose size, because I'm running a low budget. I just want to do this as an experiment. If it's gonna work, if you like it, I do get input like the t-shirt is good, so not everybody can buy. So if you can't buy, make sure to share it on your platforms, because I would love that. And so make sure to order. If you would love to house one, make sure to order. It is open to international. Like I said, for international customers, you will have to send me your email, your order and your shipping address, so I can send the courier people your address for getting a shipping cost or code. So then I can give you the code, or I can mail you the shipping cost plus the product cost in a link, so you can pay. And when you pay, and when the pay money comes through, I will be making orders for the print. So right now I opened it the money for 200 rand, because I want to do it like bulk purchase. But if I don't get enough order, like at least 10, then I won't be doing 200 for when the product actually goes live. If I do get for 10 orders, then the cost will be staying same 200. If it doesn't, it will go up to 235 rand. So there's not much difference, but still 35 rand is a 35 rand, yeah. And yeah, that's the update I want to tell you. So make sure to go pre-order now before the time runs out. Only if I didn't get any order till now. I'm being truthful. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday I announced, today also I shared, but I didn't get any order. But I do get I do get inquiries for future project, but not for this one. But for me personally, for my shop, that is very important to have the order. But I do get input like it's a good design, I would love to buy, but not they are not in a position to buy, things like that. So yeah, if you can, please buy. If you cannot, make sure to share in your social media pages. That is going to give you a lot of reach. It's going to help. Okay, anyway, so let's continue with our notebook making. Okay, if you wonder, even when I have a good sunlight, why I'm not opening the curtain and instead using these lights, means I have sunlight migraine. I cannot look or stare at sunlight for a long time, bright sunlight for a long time, because I get migraine. So I keep always the curtain on, so I don't get migraine. Okay, so now I do laminate the front of the front part. Okay, let me put it here up. Okay, I do laminate the front cover of the notebook. Why? Means I'm not making the notebook as usually how people make notebook. That's not how I make, because I don't have the right equipment, and I don't have the investment, because I don't work. This is my only thing, so whichever is little I have, that's what I do from it. So I don't have the right equipment for it, so I'm doing in the way which I can with the equipments I have. So mine is very different of bookmaking, and the reviews which I got is it is staying put. So that's why I continue with that, maybe until I can get a proper equipment. But so for now I laminate only outside, both the outsides, and because it is needed for the method I am going to make, because I use a lot of glues and everything. So if I don't put the lamination outside, the glue comes through and it destroys the design. So to avoid that, I put lamination. So that's why I put lamination, and I do not put on both sides, only one side. So yeah, you can see.
Would be better for me to simply sketching using a reference.
If you're thinking like what I'm doing, I messed it up. I messed up all the colors and the measurement. I marked it wrong measurement.
Okay, the green bowl is better. This is at the other side. I don't need to stop at that job.